Hi students, I am Prakash, Academic Advisor, Masterminds. Here is one important announcement to you. For any reason, if you are unable to write your CA Inter examinations in November 2020, then you will have following two services available with Masterminds. First service, to wait till the completion of exams in November 2020 and join for pre-results crash batches or revision batches at that time. This is first option available to you. Second service, recently, that is on September 23rd itself, we have started a new CA Inter regular batch in Guntur in online mode. You can join in that batch also. Following are some more details of CA Inter regular batch in Guntur that has started recently, that is on September 23rd. Each and every topic will be dealt in a detailed manner, keeping first time listeners in mind. This is not a crash batch. Batch has started on September 23rd. For the initial 1 week, we have run classes for only 2 to 3 hours a day. So, very less amount of syllabus is completed till now. Due to pandemic situation, we have drastically reduced our fees for this new regular batch. If a student of CA Inter regular batch of 43rd session would like to join in this new regular batch, then it is sufficient for him to pay a nominal amount of 10,000 rupees as fee. Of course, provided the student has no fees due pending in such earlier session. Similarly, if a student of any of the earlier sessions of CA Inter regular batches, that is other than 43rd session, would like to join in this batch, then such student will get 50% concession in the fees. And as far as my knowledge is concerned, Masterminds is the only institute to start a regular batch in this odd time of September month. Normally nobody will start a batch in this September month. Hope students will avail the benefit of the same. We will make the students of this batch to write exams in May 2021. Since classes are offered in online mode, students from any place can join in this batch. 80% teaching of this batch will be done in English and 20% will be taught in Telugu for the convenience and better understanding of the students. So my dear students, please communicate the details of this batch to friends who are in need of this service. I hope that you will find this message to be useful. Thank you. All the best.